Hi, I am Anthony Laguardia and I am 19 years old. I live in Kamating, Sibulan, Negros Oriental. I am currently a student here in Negros Oriental High School. Some of the things I enjoy doing are playing volleyball, playing mobile games, and especially listening to music. And I am already playing my favorite song. It's called Naiilang by La John. This song is about the awkwardness and emotional tension that arises when you fall in love with a close friend. And also, I'm a shy type person when it comes to interact with other people. It's kinda weird, but I don't like opening up to other people. It's like I don't like attention and it gets too much for me. I'm more comfortable in the background, just observing, but when I see it's necessary to speak up, and that's the time that I'm going to talk with them.
Kasalanan